Hello friends, welcome to our channel TechMart. So friends, hope you are enjoying our videos. So today I will discuss with you SSL configuration in broker. So first let me brief you this. SSL configuration is nothing but SSL configuration in WebSphere message broker requires a key repository referred to as a key store. So SSL is used to enhance the security of the WebSphere message broker infrastructure. So friends, in many environments, secured socket layer, which is SSL, configuration is challenging because of the number of components involved in the configuration and setup. So friends, implementing WebSphere message broker SSL requires a good understanding of WebSphere message broker nodes for developers. So for the friends, for the SSL configuration, we need to generate the key store file, we need to generate the trust store file, we need to generate the certificate. So I will show you how we can generate these trust store, key store, certificate files. So first, we need to create a broker which is dedicated to handle SSL traffic. So now here I am going to create a one broker which name is node SSL. Friends, we can create the integration node by using the console window, also by using the commands mqsi create broker command. We can create broker with the commands also. So now I created from here. Just click on right click and click on new integration node. So you can see here the task completed successfully and click on close window. So now I'm going to show you how we can create these files. So for this, I'm first let me write down some commands, so then I will tell you what this command is showing. So I key cmd hyphen key db hyphen create hyphen db, and we will give here the path where we have to generate the key store file. So I'm giving this path, and now I'm giving my key store name broker key store dot jks. Jks is the Java key store. Then give the password, which is I am giving password. Then type means which type of file we are giving here, which is the Java key store file, and click on enter. So friends, what we did here we are trying to create a key store file which is type of Java key store, which is the JKS. So we can see this file here, broker key store file had been created by the ikeycmd command. So now let me create the trust store also. So ikeycmd hyphen key db hyphen create. We can use the upper button to write these commands, but for learning purpose I am writing this command here, hyphen db. So here also we will give the path where we have to generate the trust store. So I am giving here my trust store name is like broker trust store. This is also a Java key store file, hyphen pw, which is password, and hyphen type, which is jks. Enter. So friend, this is a trust store which is type of jks. So we can see here trust store key also. So you can see here which I create here SOTR, which is also created. So now let me create the certificate also. So I key cmd hyphen cert. We are creating certificate. So here I give the -cert, then -db, then give the path where we have to create, where we where we will give this key store path, broker key store. Let me .jks -pw password -label bkr SSL broker SSL cert -dn, then cn. Friends, first let me execute this command, then I will tell you what I am doing. Cn is equal to our integration node name and node SSL dot server, organization is equal to techmart, is equal to like offshore, then location is equal to Delhi, country is equal to India, I gave here wrong name of broker key store, SQRE. So friends, what we did here, we are creating a SSL certificate and binding in the key store in .jks file. So now MQSI report properties. So my node SSL integration node name, then -o broker registry, then -r. So friends, this command is showing to check the broker registry with the default settings. So you can check here broker key store, you can see here broker key store, trust store key store password, trust store password. So you can check here. So now next is I key cmd -cert -details -db. So broker key store file name broker broker key store .jks -label bkr SSL cert. So it's asking for password, so my password I gave here password. So friends, while executing this command to know the details of a key store, so you can so it's showing the key store details. You can see here cn issued by this. You can check here, you can check the subject of the certificate. So next I key cmd -cert -extract -db. So again we will give here key store broker key store dot jks hyphen pw password hyphen label bkr ssl cert hyphen target. So again we will give here the path where we have to create the broker certificate. So my bkr certificate dot r hyphen format sky. So friends, here what we did, we execute this command to extract the certificate from the key store.jks file, and we can see this file. Let me show you. We can see the certificate has been extracted, bkr certificate.r. So now we are going to add the certificate to the trust store. Here we add the certificate in the key store. So now we are going to add the certificate in the trust store. So I key cmd hyphen cert hyphen add hyphen db and trust store. What is that? Trust store name hyphen label bkr sl cert hyphen file and our this certificate path slash certificate name then hyphen format sky. So it's showing add. Okay, I forgot to give hyphen in the add. Hyphen. So here it will ask for the password. So we will give here password. So friends, while executing this command, we are adding the certificate to the trust store. So next is I key cmd hyphen cert hyphen details hyphen dp, then our broker key store path hyphen broker key store dot jks hyphen label hyphen bkr ssl cert enter. Again it is asking for password, so we have to provide here password. So friends, this command is showing that while executing this command, to check the details using the label that we have provided earlier, provided by the I key cmd. So this bkrssl, this label name that provided should be the same which we give here previously. This label name bkr ssl shirt, this should be same in all commands. So now we are going to bind it certificate in the key store. So I key cmd hyphen cert hyphen list hyphen dp, and we have to give the broker key store path broker store broker key store broker key store dot jks, enter. So it will asking for password, so we have to provide the password here. So again, so this command is showing order to check all the certificates are binded in the key store. So now we are adding the in key store to the broker node. So I key cmd, no, so we have to give on the broker node we are adding the key store, so we have to run the mqsi change properties command. Broker name, which is integration node name, -o broker registry -n broker key store, then file, then -b, then we have to give here the broker key store path key store dot jks file. What is showing what we give mqsi change properties node SSL invalid file. Let me check once again here. File -b, and then we have to give the broker key store path. Let me check this command mqsi change properties node SSL -o broker registry -n broker key store file -b test broker. Yes, now again it is showing that invalid argument file specified, augment specified should be reissue the command. What I gave here, this command sends an internal configuration message to this response receive indicating that the message was unsuccessful. So again my command is wrong. What is this mqsi change properties node SSL -o broker key store file -b. I think something problem with this file. Broker key store file, broker key store. Friends, let me check once this. Okay. Now I gave a broker key store file is different. So now what we did here, we are adding the key store file to the broker node. Now we are going to add the trust store file in the broker node. So for that, again MQSI change properties integration node name -o broker registry -n. Now broker trust store file name brokertrust trust store file -b and path of the trust store file. So this is the path of my broker trust store file. Enter. Now I added this trust store file to the broker node. So now MQSI report properties, then integration node name -o broker registry -r. So now we can see the properties that are changed by using the report properties command. This we change the trust store file and we change the key store file also. So now I am going to stop the broker MQSI stop node underscore SSL. So I stop my integration node. So now next what we did this where we have to register key store and trust store file to the broker by executing the MQSI set dbpalms command. This is the broker, so it will take, we are stopping the broker, so it will take the 1 minute, hardly 1 or 2 minutes. So now I'm going to execute the MQSI set dbpalms, our integration node name, and then -n broker key store colon password -u ignore -u is the user and -p is my password, which is password. So for this we will execute this command for trust store also. Trust store. So friends, we execute these two commands, so as to register the key store and trust store to the broker. So now I am going to start my integration node name MQSI start and integration node name, which is node underscore SSL. So My integration node starts. So now I am going to check the properties. So MQSI report properties node SSL -o broker registry -r. So now we can check here properties. So now friends, we are going to change the properties, which is MQSI change properties integration node name -b http listener -o https connector -n SSL protocol -b TLS. So friend, this is the very important command. This command is essential so as the clients to talk the provider. So first let me brief you this command. So when we don't issue this command, by default the protocol will be SSL. So we give here the protocol is TLS. So this protocol is deprecated and should not be used anymore. This is so friends, this is the main reason why most of the browser throw the error when accessed while accessing. So we need to explicitly configure the broker so as to enable the TLS using above command. So next, MQSI change properties integration node name -b http listener -n enable SSL connector -b true. Oh, I give here space enable, but I missed here one flag. I missed here MQSI change properties integration node name -b http listener -n enable SSL connector -b true. I think this is the correct command. I don't know why it is showing error. MQSI change properties node SSL -b http listener -n enable SSL connector. Maybe something I gave wrong here. -o I gave. I forgot to give here. -o http listener -o is our HTTPS listener. Friend,